In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Sheet editable. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, working on a group project, or simply need to allow others to make edits, understanding how to adjust sharing settings effectively ensures smooth teamwork and efficient communication. Let's dive in and break down this process step by step so you can easily follow along. First, open the Google Sheet you'd like to make editable. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your Google account and have the necessary permissions. Once you're on the desired spreadsheet, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the blue Share button. Click this button to begin the process of making your sheet accessible to others. Upon clicking the Share button, a dialog box will appear. This box is your control center for managing how your document is shared with others. If you want to invite specific people to edit your Google Sheet, start by entering their email addresses in the designated field. As you type, Google will try to autocomplete based on your contacts, making it convenient to quickly add frequent collaborators. It's important to ensure you input the correct email addresses to avoid any sharing mishaps. After entering the email addresses, you'll notice a drop-down menu next to each name. This menu allows you to assign the appropriate level of access to each user. By default, it might be set to viewer or commenter, but for our purpose, you'll want to choose editor. Setting someone as an editor grants them full editing capabilities, enabling them to adjust content, format, and any other editable aspect of the sheet. Be cautious with this powerful permission. Ensure you trust the individuals you designate as editors. Once you've selected the editor permission for each of your collaborators, it's time to finalize this inviting process. Click the Done button at the bottom right of the dialog box. This action will send an invitation directly to the specified individuals, notifying them that they've been granted editing access to your Google Sheet. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully made your Google Sheet editable by specific people, opening up a pathway for collaboration and productivity. Remember that managing permissions effectively can prevent unwanted changes and ensure your data's integrity. You can also modify these settings at any time if your sharing needs change in the future. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to collaborate more efficiently on Google Sheets. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to maximize your productivity. Subscribe and stay tuned for more great content.